Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I can barely talk. Welcome to a new video on Sei. Wanted to do an update. Quite a lot of people in the Cilinix community are talking about it. And obviously, it's been one of the most bullish cryptos in the last couple of weeks. Since the 10th of November, when it really started rallying, it's up about 150%. It's an interesting project, and I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. So that's what we'll do. We'll do a full update, we'll talk about what's going on right now, we'll talk about what to expect. So yeah, let's do that. Earlier this morning, we got quite a big flush in the markets. So a big drop by Bitcoin, or at least a sudden drop, grabbing liquidity. You cannot even see it anymore right here, but here you can see it on the 15-minute time frame. Bullish momentum right now is continuing. So overall, the market circumstances are bullish. For Sei, the market circumstances are bullish too. You can see that, especially since the 21st of November, the market structure has been very bullish. We've been making higher lows. We've been making higher highs right here. The last one was made earlier this night. So yeah, it's bullish, all right? Now, the reason for this bullish momentum, I think that's a good thing to initially talk about, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the situation right now. Is in my eyes, I mean, it's a load of things, right? So it's probably more than this. It's probably also has to do with the market circumstances. It's a relatively new crypto that helps too. But I do think that Sei is manipulated as well. All right. If you check out the volume distribution right now for Sei, you'll see that more than 50% in total of the volume is coming from sources like BitDump, Pionex, or Upbit, which usually, if that's the case, it's manipulated. All right, that doesn't matter that much. All right, but it's good to know. But that does mean that I somewhere in the next month or so do expect quite a big crash, but not yet. So far, it's still bullish. You can see the trend line right here, which is, I mean, this trend line, it's great, but it's not the end of the world if that breaks. To me, it looks that Sei has found some strong resistance. 30 cents obviously is quite a big psychological level. So it doesn't matter if Sei drops down, for example, down to 25 cents, as long as it holds that. As long as it's able to hold 25 cents, because it does look like Sei will get some more bearish momentum, then I would still expect a bullish breakout above 30 cents and a continuation up to 35 cents afterwards. 35 cents is the next psychological level. Sei tends to respect the 25, 30, 15 cents levels fairly well in those increments. So that would be my first price target. After that, we can talk about 40 cents, but that's a little bit too far in the future for now. So yeah, it all depends on that. Right now, Sei looks quite weak. You can also see a big sell-off in the open interest. So I expect it to test this level right here between 26.5 and 25 cents. And at this moment, I do think it's most likely that it will hold those levels and continue rallying up afterwards. Now, personally, I'm not touching Sei, right? So I'm not trading it. Maybe, like if I would trade it, what I would do, excuse me, just setting some things up. If I would trade it, what I would do is wait for a bullish breakout above 30 cents. All right, because then it's confirmed that it's still very bullish, that there's still a lot of bullish momentum. So then it could also rally up higher. But now we really have to wait until for 26.5 and 25 cents to hold, because what could also happen, because the market circumstances right now, as we saw this morning, are pretty volatile. What could also happen is that Sei just falls down to 25 cents and breaks below that, in which case it can drop down pretty hard, all right, down to 20 cents, perhaps even lower. So that's the risk. And for me, that risk just makes it not worth it to buy Sei right now. Perhaps if it gets a bearish breakout and bearish confirmation, but not right now. So those are my thoughts. That's my analysis. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And in there, you can also find more info on my premium and signals group. That's up to you. For now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Take care and bye.